Hi guys, it's Legionero back with another video. This week is week 3 of my weekly sewing recap. So this week I worked on commercial patterns. They are all simplicity patterns. One of them you saw last week. You saw the skirt for Simplicity 8656, and this week I did the top for Simplicity 8656. It's a really loose fitting top. It was very easy to put together. You have the shoulder and arm seams and the side seams, and then you hem it. That was 30 minutes for me. I cut it out last week just to prep it. I like to prep my patterns first by cutting and marking my notches and everything, so when I get ready to sew I don't have to do that part. All I have to do is sew it up. So from start to finish, if you're going to cut it out and sew it in the same day, it could be an easy hour 15-minute project. All right, so I made the top in a red Ponte knit, and to match the top I did Simplicity 8378, and I don't know if you can see this, but these are some crop pants with slits on the side. This is the actual pattern right here. It's one of their pattern hacking patterns that you could do a lot of different variations of the pattern, and I decided to do the side slit pants, which is number 6. I don't know if you can see that. If you can't see it, I'll pop up a picture so you can get a better view of it. But I did the pants in black. I know last week I said I didn't want to do black, but I did the pants in black to go along with Simplicity 8656, the top. I really like the outfit. It's a nice outfit where you can wear some sandals or maybe even some tennis shoes with it. And you know, I love to wear tennis shoes with my outfits. Very simple pattern to put together. It has pockets, elastic waistband, so that's right up my alley as well. I love pockets and I love elastic waistbands. So I really do want to do the other views on this pattern. I like the different variations. I like the slanted pants, but we'll see. We'll see as time goes on what I get done and what I don't get done. So that's that outfit, red top and the black pants. And the other pattern that I made is Simplicity 8605, and I made view D, the shorter version of the skirt. I didn't make the tie. I don't know why. For some reason, I guess I just skipped it, forgot about it. But I cut this out. It's been a while. I cut this out a while ago, and it had just been sitting in the chair, and I decided, you know what, I need to go ahead and make this skirt. I made it in a purple and black scuba knit, and I love the fabric. It was nice and thick, very easy to work with, and I like this pattern because it has like the paper bag waist. That seems to be the trend that's going on nowadays, so that's what attracted me to the pattern. I was going to do the pants, but maybe when it gets cooler I'll do the pants, just so I have some pants in my closet with the paper bag waist. But I actually love all views of this pattern, but I decided to go with the shorter skirt for this time. I cut out a medium. It's the size 14 to 16, and I paired it with just a simple black t-shirt. Since the skirt was purple and black, I just went ahead and found a black t-shirt in my closet and tucked it in so you could actually see the paper bag waist style element that goes with the skirt. All right, so let me show you a picture. Those are the patterns that I made this week. As far as bags go, I actually finished up my prototypes for the crystal crossbody bag that I showed you last week. So I'll show you a picture of each. Still haven't decided if or when I'm going to release these as patterns. I may just put them on my website to just sell to people who may want a crossbody bag. If I do decide to sell the pattern, just like my other patterns, I'm going to do a step-by-step video tutorial for you guys, so you'll have a reference when putting the pattern together. Right, so that's everything that I made this week, If you like this video, hit the thumbs up button. Let me know in the comments below if you have any suggestions, if you've made the patterns that I made this week. So that's it. I'll see you guys in next week's video.